All right, man. Welcome to Crow 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 319. Jason Lindgren is with me, and Mr. Christopher Gardner is coming to us from Central America. We get into so many cool things like building with biodomes, making a natural charcoal without oxygen, kinds of fertilizers that are in sync with nature, building with the angles of sorrow and the angles of joy in mind, building with bamboo. As a matter of fact, our guest knows so much about bamboo, as do I. We're going to have an upcoming episode that is devoted entirely to the world's largest grass. But this is a great episode if you give a damn about the truth found in nature. The first hour is free at crow777radio.com. That's CRROW777radio.com. Just hit the site. First hours all the way back to episode 1 are free. Members know to log in. At any rate, join us over at crow777radio.com, and I would like to wish every living being a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era. Cheers.